What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on CRNT stock. First of all, for those of you who don't know what CRNT is, let me give you brief information. Ceragon Networks Ltd is a networking equipment vendor focused on the wireless point-to-point connectivity, mostly used for wireless backhaul by mobile operators and wireless service providers, as well as private businesses. So, it is a network company, and as they wrote on their website, they are #1 wireless backhaul specialists. Ceragon has been leading the industry for over 20 years now. And I believe it is a good company, it's a very good company, and we have this article dated on January 29th. 7 stocks under $10 to buy for February. And as you can see here, #1 is Ceragon Networks. And before we jump into the technical analysis, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. In this case, you won't miss next video. And here we are on CRNT ticker, and we are on daily chart. As you can see here, it did exactly what I predicted in my previous video. The link will be on your top right corner and in the description below. Here is the consolidation phase, and it is in the shape of simple zigzag, and we've hit our accumulation zone. Wait a second. Here it is, our accumulation zone, and if you want to invest in this company, basically you can start to accumulate your position. And let me show you some more information. As you can see here, on February the 8th, we will have an earnings report from this company, and this will be the point when the market decide either this stock will go up or it will go down. And that's why we have to be prepared to both of these possibilities. So, first of all, let me show you some indicators. I personally use RSI, Relative Strength Index, MACD, and volume. You can see it down here. So, we have a clear impulse, and it is a huge spike on volume. And during the consolidation phase, we have low volume as usual. Here we have a clear support on RSI, and until we are staying above this line, in my opinion, this stock will continue to grow. On the MACD, we've almost hit the point when these two lines crossing over, and this means that we might even go to the downside, as you can see with these bars, and this means that we have no momentum for now and on daily time frame. It is very undecisive indicator for now, but we have some more data. As you can see here, we have a clear support as well on RSI, and we don't have any bearish signs yet. We have higher highs on RSI and higher lows on RSI, and we have higher highs on price movement and higher lows. Let's switch to the 4-hour chart, and here is our accumulation zone. For those of you who are interested in this chart and why I choose this point as the lowest point for the wave, let me give you this information. So here's my breakdown on Elliott wave theory, and we have clear 5-wave impulse to the upside, and we are on a bigger scale, something like this. So it is our third wave, and we are on retracement wave, and here is the 5th wave, and in a minute I will show you the exact setup and exact entry and take profit price. So let me turn off unnecessary indicators and this one. So here we have golden pocket. It is a most probable zone of pivot point when the price hit this zone, but we have some additional information. Usually a length of the wave A compared to length of the wave C is 1-to-1, and here is the tool. It is a fib extension tool, and as you can see here, let me clean up this one, we don't need it for now. We projected the length of the A wave to the top of the B wave, and here is the 1-to-1 ratio with the length of the waves. So according to this tool, we might go even lower, and that's why you have to follow the rules. You have to set up your stop losses during this accumulation phase. So I don't need this one for now, and turn on again this Fibonacci. So your setup will be something like this. During this hovering right around 0.5 level and 0.65 level, you will have an opportunity to accumulate this asset, and your stop loss should be slightly lower than 0.65 level. For now it is around $4 mark, and now I will show you the target price for this setup. Wait a second, I don't need this one, and I take a Fibonacci extension tool and put the first point at the lowest point of this wave, second one on the top one, and for now we have this lowest point of the retracement wave, and here we have most probable zone for now for the fifth wave, 0.786, and in this case you will have rather good 77% of potential profit with almost 10% of potential loss, with the risk to reward ratio 7.84-to-1, and the second target will be second accumulation zone will be absolutely the same, stop loss will be absolutely the same, and target price will be 1-to-1 extension of the third wave, and it will be around 100% with the risk to reward ratio almost 10-to-1. So 10% of potential losses with 100% of potential profit. With that being said, I think that's it for now, and you have to be extremely cautious with this date on February the 8th, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.